Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap drone with 4K camera. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Lamaze RC Drone. Brand name, Lamaze. 1080p 4K HD camera. It can take pictures, shoot videos and realize real-time transmission. One key takeoff and landing. The one key takeoff and landing function makes your operation more convenient, suitable for novice operation. Color, black, white. Camera: 1080p 4K. Main material, ABS. Control distance approximately 100 to 150 meters. Drone battery, 3.7 volts 1600 mAh LiPo battery. Charging time, about 120 minutes. Working time, about 15 minutes. Remote controller battery: 3x AA battery. Number 4. Jai GPS Drone. Brand name, Jai. 1080p 4K HD camera. Headless mode function. GPS: 1 button return, 1 button return to takeoff point, low power return, no signal return. GPS intelligent follow. After the aircraft is connected to GPS, turn on the app follow function, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Motorized camera, 4K 90 degree. Control distance, about 300 meters. Drone battery, 7.4 volt 1100 mAh lithium battery. Charging time, about 4 hours. Working time, about 18 minutes. Number 3. Visuo 4K RC Drone. Brand name, Visuo. Long flight time, about 20 minutes. Battery, 3.85 volt 1800 mAh Li-ion battery. HD FPV flight, equipped with 4K 1080p HD which transmits the videos in real time. One key following mode, eye on the mode, the drone will fly following the player to capture the beautiful moment. G sensor control, control the flying direction by tilting your mobile phone. Waypoint flight, the player can plan a flight line on the app interface. Headless mode, in this mode, you need no drone's head position. 360 degree flip function, just press one key, you can see a aerobatic flight. High, middle, low speed switchable, choose the speed which you need, help you control your drone better. Number 2. ZWN 1080p 4K Drone. Brand name, ZWN. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. Camera lens, 120 degrees. Adjustable angle camera, 90 degrees. Capacity of smart lithium battery: 7.4 volt 1600 mAh. Flight time, about 18 minutes. Number 1. SG906 Pro GPS Drone. Item name, SG906 Pro Beast RC Brushless Drone. Pressure sensor, height setting. Frequency, 2.4 GHz. Camera, adjustable camera by transmitter, 110 degrees. Remote battery, 4x1. 5 volts AA battery. Motor, 1806 brushless motor. Drone battery, 7.4 volts 2800 mAh. Flight time, about 25 minutes. Camera, 2-axis gimbal Wi-Fi 4K camera. Video resolution, 1287/20p. Photo resolution, 4096 3072p. Function, foldable, 1 key start, 1 key landing, altitude hold, optical flow constant, double camera, Wi-Fi connect, app control, gesture photo, gesture recording, intelligent app following me mode, palm control up down left right.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you. Please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this in future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.